Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can convert an image into text in Microsoft Word. So let's get in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is open up a blank document in Microsoft Word, and we're going to travel up to Insert, and here we are going to tap on Pictures, and we are going to add the picture of our text. So here you can see we have added this picture. Now, what we have to do next is there are a few things that we can do to make this more readable. So we're going to maybe increase the size. We can maybe just align this so we can move it freely. We can also maybe change the margins or the layouts over here. So we can just go narrow and we can make it really wide. So we can try and sort of take advantage of the page as much as possible, right? So as you can see now, you can also just click on the image itself and go to picture format. You can do color correction. So if it's a bit bright, you can change it. If it is a bit dark, you can also change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it as is. And then additionally, we can also crop the image. So if there's stuff outside on the edges that you maybe don't want, you can go ahead on the right hand side, still in this picture format, and tap on crop. It'll give you this option. You can go ahead now and you can just crop exactly what it is that you want here. So we want just the text, and we are going to even cut out the page numbers if we want. We can do that too. All right, so that looks pretty good. And once we're done, we're going to go ahead now and we can go back to home. Now, from here, what we are going to do is we are going to save this. Now, if you go up to File on your left-hand side and you go to Save As, we are going to save it to our device. So on the left-hand side, you're going to tap on this PC and you are going to just find the location that you would like to save it in. And here we are going to do image to text, right? And the important part is that you save it as a PDF. All right, so what we're going to do now is tap on Save It as Saved. So from here, we're going to go up to the right-hand side again, and we're going to say File, and we want to open up a new blank document. Now, in this new blank document, we're going to go over to View, and we're going to click on View, and then we are going to look for Outline, which should be on the left-hand side. We're going to click on Outline, and here we're going to look for Show Document, and we're going to tap on that. Now, you need to insert the PDF that we just saved. So once you tap on Insert, you will now have the opportunity to look for it on your device. Image to text, that is what we named it, and we're going to tap on Open. Now over here it says Word will now convert the PDF to an editable Word document, and that is fine. It will take a while. We're going to tap on OK, and we're going to wait for it. Now over here you can see, of course, there is a bit of a format issue, but that's not such a problem. We're going to go ahead and we are going to select all of this. We're going to now hold in Control, tap on C to copy it. We are going to close the outline view, and you can see now this is our document. Now we can paste this wherever we like. We can maybe take this and we can remove it. And once we sort of are done with that, we can just remove that table, and here is our text. What we can do is then maybe just when we paste, instead of just using Control V to paste, we're going to right click, and here you can just say paste the text only, and as you can see, the text from here has just come out slightly different. Now, of course, depending on what your original document looks like, it may have some issues. You may want to, when you crop, do one page at a time. That may work a little bit better. So you can use that one, and then you can use that one and paste them separately from page 1 to page 2, and then you will have your document from an image to text in Microsoft Word. If this was helpful, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.